How to create personal care and hygiene e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account, and if you already have an account, just click on login and proceed to type in your email or your username, then click on next to type in your password, and give it a few seconds to load. And after typing your password, click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating your store is choosing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. Then click on continue. After that, you have a question and you have 3 answers. Choose the answer that fits you. Then you do the same with this other question. Choose the answer that fits you. Then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So my niche is about personal care and hygiene. So I'm going to go with health and beauty as a category. And if you can't find your category in this list, just click on other and then click on continue. After that, if you already have a store in the real world, type in the address. If not, just skip this step and give them a few seconds to build your store. And here, as you can see, this is the dashboard of the store, and in your right you have the edit style button, and here we have the design now button, and both of them take us to the editing phase. And in your left you have 9 sections, and I'm going to go through each one of them and explain it for you, starting with website, where we have the edit style button again, and we have the domains button, where you can set up your domain name or change the domain name that you already have. Then we have the items section, where we have the site's items if you want to create new products or change the products that you already have. Then we have the site's categories if you want to create new categories. Then we have options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. Then we have the orders section, where you can check all of your orders, see the fulfilled one, the shipped one, the cancelled one, and the paid one. Then we have the fulfillment section, where you can set up your pickup settings and your shipping settings also. Then we have the reports section, where you can check the site's traffic reports or the site's activity reports, sources reports, online sales reports, and so on. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, just click on the summary button. Then we have the marketing section, and basically in this section we have everything or every tool that is related to growing your audience, starting with email to automated to ads to mailing lists to segments to setup. And on top of that, we have the summary if you want to see the summary of all these tools. Then we have the communications section, where we have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. And last but not least, we have the settings section, where we have the general settings if you want to change the name of the company or set up your address, your email, or your phone number. Then we have the checkout, where you can set your payment processors, like connecting your Stripe account or connecting your PayPal account. Then we have the sales taxes if you want to set your taxes settings. And last but not least, we have units, where you can change the site's language or edit the units that you already have. So that's it for these sections. Let's go back to the overview and let's click on the edit site button to proceed to the editing phase. So click on edit site, and give it a few seconds to load. So it will not take a lot of time, just a few seconds guys. As you can see, it's building the site now and it's still loading. So here it's loaded, and here we have the setup guide if you want to go with it. If not, just ignore it, it will disappear right now. Then we have the site styles, which is the first step of creating our store. Choosing one of these styles, and before choosing, just wait for the store to be fully loaded. Then choose one of these styles and see if it fits your store. So here let's choose this one, which is the first style, and click on hide styles. After that, check if it fits your store, and if it's good with it, click on apply site styles. And here we proceed to the site's design, where you can always change the styles again. Also, you can upload an image to be your logo, change the colors, change the fonts, which I'm going to do. Let's change the fonts from Inter to Caforta. Then click on done. After that, let's change the shapes of the buttons from pill to rounded, and for images also to rounded, from sharp to rounded. Then click on done. After that, you can just scroll down where you have the site's elements. If you want to upgrade to the paid version, then you will be able to change the site's elements. And when you're done with the design, click on done. Next, if you want to set up your domain, you can find a custom domain in here and click on search. For example, let's go with shopping.com and click on search, and then it will take you to another page where you can search for your domain. As you can see, you can search for domains and available ones and the not available. Then you can see how much you will pay for a year, and you can click on select and proceed to the checkout. And here let's just go back, and if you want to use a domain you own from somewhere, click on here. And if you want to use Weebly's subdomain, you just click on here also. So let's close this one and dismiss all, dismiss. And here, if you want to manage these sections and pages, footer, header, and so on, you can do that by clicking on each one of them. And if you want to create new section or a page, item, or category, just click on the plus button and click on the one that you want to create. So that's it guys for today's video. I just wanted to give you an idea about how this platform works. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.